Hello and welcome to Sensor FX. Today we are talking about marking 10 region. Please like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for us to make more videos like this. So on Crash 500 we are doing two Crash 500 and Boom 500. We saw that this acted as support from our daily time frame. So that's the reason I entered a sell. As you can see, the support is very true because there is high number of weeks at that region, so we expect price to move down to 59.24 before it continue to move up, because this is likely to be a market reversal, as you will see. So from that we move to our lower time frame, which is H4. We can see that the market is already turned back before it continued to move up, but what I saw was there was this trend line being, which will be observed from our H4. So as you can see from our H4, that was market reversal, and also this daily confirmation is telling us. Let's move to line chart. So in line chart, you can see that there is this trend line being observed, making of high highs and high lows, meaning to say our market is going to reverse. So I expect price to bounce back before from our trend line at 60.66 mainly, before it continue to move up. So please, I'd like for support and resistance levels, use multiple time frames and for marking of significant regions, be them being support and resistance and trend lines. So if you use our Fibonacci retracement level, you can see that it is turning back at level 50, which is a very high significant level of the market turning back down, whether it is an uptrend or downtrend. It always observes that, mainly those levels of the Fibonacci retracement levels, if they are used correctly. So if we move to minute 30, the market is now retesting our significant support level, which we marked with our rectangle, blue rectangle there. So we expect our price to move down there. But I saw another thing there, that you can see that the market is making a new trend line, which is touching second touch on 60.27 there. So we expect price to move down there before it continue to move up. So let's go to Boom 500. The reason why I entered a sell there. The reason why I entered a sell in Boom 300 is there was this trend line being observed, and there are a number of weeks around that region. On the trend line, you can see it's making a series of higher highs, lower lows. Also, this is a second, third touch. So we expect price to move down there before it continue to move up. Look here, use multiple time frames, please. So you can see there are a lot of wicks in this region, lot of wicks. So the price always tend to test areas of liquidity. So we expect price to move down. So this is our resistance, as you can see. This is our resistance. So we are already in profits from our minute 30. From our minute 1, you can see that we ended the sell at a good position, and the market structure here, you can look. What I have seen is that market observe triangles, and it tend to fill those triangles. So that's why I ended the sell again. That's my own thinking of the market, and it is what I observed. As you can see again, we expect price to move down to the level 50 of the Fibonacci, and also you can see that from our Fibonacci levels, it observed level 61. There was our second touch, and at level 60.50 there was our second touch. So we expect price to move down there before it continue to move up, upside down. So That's it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Please, 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 for us to create more content like this. But before you go, you can say that please, I would like to say like, share, and subscribe for us to create more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.